Here we are at our new house, and before we go in, I wanted to show you this beautiful street that we're on. So look at this. Listen. Isn't the street just gorgeous? And then some pretty trees there. And this is the front of our house. So let's go in. Here is the entryway to our house, and isn't it just lovely? Look at this floor. So fantastic. Big, huge entryway. Let me know what you think I should put here in this entryway. Isn't this light pretty? And then here is my my new studio. These are my boys. I think I would like to paint the walls sparkles. Is there sparkle paint? It's just a pretty decent sized room. Got a nice window there, exit there, and I even have a closet here. I can use that to store stuff. Let's go back this way. There's lots of ways to get through. If we just cross across here, this is going to be the kids' playroom, and this room is really nice and big. And it leads directly into the dining room there. We'll come back to that in just a minute, but this is a nice big playroom for the kids. We have electricity, but it looks like maybe some of our lights aren't working just yet. And then we've got this just kind of a blank wall that I'm gonna have to decorate in some way. And then this is more hallway. It's just absolutely massive. Closet. And then through my studio is a bathroom with a shower. And on the other side of the shower is the toilet. Got that. And then if we go through here, here's the kitchen. I've got my oven and a little storage thing underneath and microwave, more storage. But look at this. This is my pantry. This is so amazing. I mean, seriously, look at this. It's got room for everything in here. Look at this. So much room. And more pantries here, more shelves. So organizing is my hobby, and I'm gonna organize to my heart's content. And then here is our dining room, and I've got a big, beautiful, gorgeous table that I got in Singapore to go in here. And I like this floor a lot. Let's have another go here of the kitchen. Refrigerator room there, and just look at how much cabinet space there is. Nice view to the backyard. Nice dishwasher. I haven't even opened this dishwasher yet. This is nice. This will keep Ed from turning off the dishwasher. This looks brand new. They said that the kitchen has recently been remodeled, so. Oh, and look at this giant stove here. So tons of cabinets. This cool island and some beautiful lights here. And more storage. So fantastic. Here is our living room. It's nice and big. That's probably where the TV will go. And here we've got a nice fireplace. And look at these beams here. Aren't these pretty? So all of this. And then if we take this hallway here, we've got more storage. So much storage. This is our game room. You gonna go up those stairs, baby? You be very careful. This pool table came with the house. Over here, we've ping pong table. My family likes it. They even left the TV. I'm just gonna fill this entire room up with games. This is just gonna be all games. Here is a dartboard wall. Look at this. This is corks from wine bottles. And here we have a little bar. This is great for, breakfast and snacks. And a little spot for a refrigerator, which we have. And more cabinets and a sink. So nice. I love it so much. More storage for more games. And they left these little bar stools. These are cute. A really nice, decent sized bathroom. No, it's a half bath. It doesn't have a shower or a bathtub, but pretty nice big size. I will go out this way. And there's I don't know if you saw that, but there's a winding staircase that leads up to my 12-year-old daughter's room. So that's kind of just an entry for her, special entry. She's really excited about that. Here is the laundry room. It's nice and big. And I have no idea why there's a shower there. If anyone knows what that's all about, let me know. But unfortunately, there's no shelves in here, except for this one. So I will have to figure out something for that. And another exit. We'll go through this way, and we will take the stairs. Let me find the stairs. Oh my goodness, this place is so big, I don't even know my way around. Let's find the stairs and take them up. Yeah, here we go.
This is the nicest house ever.
Yep, I feel the same way, Crosby.
Mom, I'm in the house, okay?
Bedroom 1. I guess this will be one of the kids. We don't know yet which one. Probably this will be Katie's for now, until Katie leaves for the Air Force. And this is the closet for that.
Mom, look at me.
Here is a full bath. The sinks are super, super weird, but oh well. Lots of storage. So much storage. More here. And a really nice deep tub. And here is another bedroom. This one will probably be Jerusha's. It's got a pretty fan. And she's got a nice big closet too. So big closet so she can fit all her dolls in. What do you think, Jerusha? Is this your room?
I love it. Yes, this is my room. And Dad's gonna paint it pink. Mine.
Have you shown my room yet?
Not yet.
Can I show my room?
Sure. This is my room. Let's have a look here. We've got a closet. That's Jeff's closet. No, this room is not small. This room
No,
is
that
nice.
closet's
Oh,
smaller than mine. I have a laundry chute.
yeah, we know.
Ooh, is this your closet?
This is my closet.
It's
A nice walk-in closet with some shelves, so I like that.
Oh, do not show
Can't reach that.
Do not.
There's a laundry chute right here.
Yes.
But
Here is,
That's cool.
there's a laundry chute.
Where does it lead to?
Downstairs, probably, there's a big closet downstairs by the front door. That's where it leads to.
That's cool. I wonder if I have a laundry
Plenty of
chute.
storage in here. And another closet. This is inside the bathroom. So this is where Jeff will keep all his stuff. That'll be fantastic. And again with the weird sinks. I don't know, tell me what you think about these sinks. Plenty of storage again. More storage there. Plenty for my lotions. And a pretty decent bathtub. I mean, it's no garden tub, don't get me wrong, but I mean, I can fit in it, you know? Oh no. There's just a gaping hole there. Okay. And then this is the boys' room. Evidently Calvin lived here before we did. Plenty of closet space for the boys. We've got a triple bunk bed. We'll just put it up right here and probably won't even be able to see the Calvin.
So cute.
But if we wanted to do airplanes,
And they left the airplane view definitely.
it's set up. Where to now,
My
Mel?
room would be, I think my room is right. I don't remember.
Is this your room?
No, it's not.
This is my room.
Yeah, it's your room.
Why is there?
So my room is too
okay.
cute for me. So first of all, this is my hallway. This is the only thing that connects to it. So this is my hallway. Then I have this from the chimney. Then I have a window seat right here with a great view and a great escape plan for a fire. Then right here, I also have a thermostat. Right here is my closet. It's
Massive closet.
massive. Whoa, that was loud. Okay, I'll have to get used to that. Then I have my taps, which I remember being gold, but it's fine, they're not. They're really pretty. And then I like the sink. And then there's also like a little chair here that they left. This light doesn't work very well, very faintly, but here's an extra closet. And then this is my bathroom, my shower and bath, and then my toilet, which, yeah.
No, are you sure you don't want
And
to
I
give me
have
this room?
vent, heat, and light.
You sure you don't want to give me this room?
I'm
I shouldn't have let you have this room. This room is the best room in the house.
It's definitely the master, but
And then here's the stairs down, which I'm not going to take.
Yes.
Out here on the back patio, we've got a screened-in porch. I don't know what that is. If you know what that is, let us know. And a nice chalkboard. It came with the refrigerator. They left it, but I can't imagine using that because of the cost of running a refrigerator outside in the humidity of Louisiana. And Louisiana is quite humid. There's this The weird thing is there's no door here. No door. It's not perfectly screened in, but pretty decent. And then they left the little play thing, which my kids are going to love. And there's this concrete spot. We thought we would put a basketball goal back here. Nice big yard. A couple little trees that'll grow, and then we've got the little shed built in on a cement slab, so that's really handy too. And then more yard. Eventually I would like to have a pool right there when my kids get older. Not ready to have another pool while they're little. That is our new house. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna go play pool with my family. Toodaloo!